Key differences in winter is that the sea will be a lot colder. There's also more of a chance of poor weather, so larger waves, bigger swells, and therefore people need to be far more prepared when taking to the sea during winter months. Make sure that you've got a flotation device, make sure that you've got a life jacket or buoyancy aid, and that you remember the principles of float to live, which is to lie back, try and stay as calm as possible and await rescue. Check the weather and tide times, very important to make sure that you know when high tide and low tide will be occurring, and the weather during the duration of the time that you're out, because clearly the weather can change quite dramatically and quickly.
In a coastal emergency, call 999 and ask for the Coast Guard. Do not disturb and keep your distance from coastal wildlife. Always keep children under supervision when you visit the coast, and do not let them dig in sand dunes or climb cliffs. Keep off structures and keep an eye out for large breaking waves.
People should also have a means of communication, so either a VHF radio or a telephone, and that you've got a signal for the telephone, just to make sure that if in case of an emergency you can call for help.